Hey creators, welcome back. Today we have a special guest, my dad, and we're going to be drawing a penguin.
Hooray, penguin!
So first we're going to draw the body or belly of the penguin.
A belly.
So we're going to be drawing just a oval or a circle right in the middle-ish of your page.
Oh, like a big egg.
Like a big egg, yeah. Remember, yours doesn't have to be perfect, so do whatever you want.
I like it.
Then we're gonna draw the head. Now the head's gonna start at the shoulder level, I guess I'd say.
Penguin shoulders.
I mean, I didn't really know that penguins had shoulders, but
Oh, I like it.
it kind of looks like a small snowman, but it's okay.
It does look a snowmanish.
It's a snowman penguin. Okay, and then we're gonna draw the wings or flippers.
Flipper
And
wing.
we're gonna curve down and back up
Oh, that's cool.
like a,
It looks like a big beak.
yes, it's a big beak shoulder.
I don't know why I just made this up.
I don't know why either. Then we're just gonna do the same thing on the other side.
Oh, that's cool.
Alright, and then we're gonna draw a big fat beak.
Huh. It's kind of rude.
I don't care. I'm gonna draw.
Oh, and he's looking up
Yeah, he's looking up into the world,
to his future.
to his future. We're gonna draw like a little swirly mark on the penguin's face because we
What
can't.
kind of penguin is this?
This is a emperor penguin,
Oh,
a very very fancy
a
penguin.
fancy emperor.
A very very fancy
wonder-
penguin.
Do you vote for emperors?
Shush.
Do you vote for them, or they just be?
They are.
Wait,
who
what did
they
you
are.
just draw? You didn't tell us what you drew.
I drew
What is that?
a floating circle in the middle of the penguin's head, aka an eyeball.
Oh, an eyeball. Oh, so he can see to tell people what to do because he's the emperor.
Yes, he is the very, very famous emperor. Then we're gonna draw the pupils in the eye. I'm gonna draw the eye like this.
Oh, where did you learn that word? Oh, okay. Well, I thought he was looking up. You have him looking to the side, so I'll have him looking to that side too.
I don't know where he's looking. He's just looking around because he can. Then we're gonna draw like where his neck connects, kind of. I guess.
Oh, because he's got
He's
there's
got-
more to his body.
There's more to his body, yeah.
I like it.
Okay, then what are we missing?
Feet.
Yes, feet. So we're gonna draw a little W shape. Like
A
that.
W. Wait,
Yes.
that looks more like an M.
Okay.
Down. Oh, down. M.
Yes, it's
And
a
then back up again.
yes, it's a very big M.
Down. M. And
and
back up again.
Yeah.
It's pretty good.
I'm gonna draw like the bone connection part in his foot because that just gives it
Oh,
more
well,
detail.
because he's a penguin. What do they have? What kind of feet do they have?
Oh, they have flippers.
They got little webbed feet, right?
So
then have to
they
have little
need
things.
stuff for the water. They
Little
need their
things.
little feet for the water.
I added an extra one.
Then-
You only put one in there.
I'm going to switch my marker into a thinner marker. Do you want a thinner marker?
No, I'm good. I like this one.
And I'm gonna do
What
a
are you
little
giving him? Is this
feathers.
This is a full grown one.
Yes, this is a full
But he's
grown
got some little feather marks. What are those feather marks? What letters are those?
V's.
For V. So I'm just gonna make a bunch of little V's.
Yes.
Are they
just-
all just try to be the same size, or gonna they make some big, some little?
You can make some big, some little, some whatever.
It's pretty good.
Yeah. So you can draw like them in clumps. You can draw them in little. You can draw check marks.
Ooh.
You guys do whatever you would like. We're
Fabulous.
just here, like, giving you ideas. You guys can do whatever you would like.
I like it.
I almost just forgot. What is our penguin standing on?
I don't know. What is he standing on?
We is going to be standing on a iceberg.
Oh, no. Watch out, Titanic.
Shush.
Actually, that's not possible. Oh, my goodness.
You can just draw a lot of wavy lines and curvy lines. Just make sure the penguin is able to stand on it.
That makes sense.
Yeah, penguins only go in the water to fish. They don't like playing in the water because there's lots of hungry predators out there. Well, now this part of the video we're going to speed up and we're going to, what are we going to do?
Color.
Yes, we're going to color
Yes.
the fat emperor penguin.
I'm going to use, we're starting with black?
Yeah, I'm starting with black.
Okay. I'm going to go and use my marker to color in it.
Yeah, so we're going to be using blue for part of the iceberg, orange and yellow for the penguin's belly and neck thing that we did. And then we're going to use black for the face and the wings and that little neck thing. So let's get started. Okay, so we finished the black of our penguin. Now we're actually going to do a thing called shading, I think that's what it's called. We're going to try and blend the orange and the yellow together. Now you guys don't have to do this. You can color it any way you want, with any colors you want. Let's get back to it.
Now what do we have to do?
I don't know, what do we have to do?
When you're done with the artwork, what are you supposed to do with it?
What?
You gotta, like Bob Ross at the end of every painting, what would he do? He would sign his name.
Oh.
That way someday it's worth a bunch of money.
Oh, okay.
You gotta do it all fancy too. Beautiful.
Like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.
Bye.